everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be talking about pineapple. Pineapple are delicious fruits, you agree with me? In this video, we'll be talking about 8 impressive health benefits of eating pineapples. So, let's get started. Pineapple is a fruit that is rich in vitamin C. This small tablet of vitamin C is 100 mg. A cup of pineapple is 78.9 mg of vitamin C. That means when you take a cup of pineapple, it's almost a tablet of vitamin C. Vitamin C protects the cells and keeps them healthy. It maintains healthy skin, hair, bones and cartilage. It also helps in wound healing. Vitamin C helps in iron absorption. Your body uses iron to produce hemoglobin that carries oxygen from your lungs to other parts of your body. Eating pineapple may enhance your weight loss because pineapple is low in calorie and high in important vitamins and minerals. Vitamins in pineapple include vitamins A, B6, E, and K, calcium, folate, iron, magnesium, phosphorus, potassium, and zinc. And it does not include saturated fats. Eating pineapple may improve your digestion because pineapple contains bromelain, which is a mix of enzymes that is used to treat digestive disorders in some countries. Bromelain in pineapple can also be used to reduce the effects of diarrhea, and it also helps to aid digestion. Bromelain is also very important at reducing inflammation from infections and injuries. It helps reduce swelling, bruising, healing time, and pain after physical injury and surgery. The manganese in pineapple promotes healthy bones. Pineapple is one of the top foods containing manganese, which is important for promoting healthy bones. Manganese may help stabilize osteoporosis, that is weakened bones, and it may help improve general bone density and minerals. Pineapple is a great source of disease-fighting antioxidants. Antioxidants are compounds that help fight off disease and free radicals in the body. Antioxidants fight inflammation and free radicals. Free radicals can damage the cells, cause aging and illness. Pineapple has cancer-fighting properties. Although there is no guaranteed way to prevent cancer, but studies suggest that eating foods high in antioxidants may help prevent cancer. Pineapple has anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation can cause diseases like coronary artery disease, diabetes, cancer, and alzhimers disease. Eating foods like pineapple can help reduce inflammation in our body. Pineapple helps to boost immunity. Next time you're battling a cold, reach for a pineapple. A study showed that children who consume pineapple had fewer viral and bacterial infections. If you eat pineapple every day, it will prevent your body from harmful free radicals and diseases, help your digestion by cleaning the body, organs, and blood, increase your energy intake and boost metabolism, nourish your hair, skin, nails, and teeth, and keep you generally healthy. The best time to eat pineapple is in between meals. Please subscribe to my channel if you love my video, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Remember, if you have questions or comments, put them in the comment section down below. Thank you very much for watching. See you in my next video.